The production of serotonin requires the amino acid tryptophan, vitamin D, iron, magnesium, calcium, vitamin C, and B vitamins. While alcohol can temporarily raise serotonin levels, it depletes the nutrients needed to produce serotonin naturally. Trauma can also affect natural serotonin levels. Studies have shown that participants who experienced childhood abuse had lower brain serotonin activity than those who were not abused. Other traumatic experiences, such as war or losing a job or loved one, can similarly disrupt serotonin production. Let's look at the components of the Wise Traditions diet and see how they can help someone realize they don't need alcohol to feel good. And first up, egg yolks. Egg yolks are the best source of cholesterol in the human diet. All adrenal hormones are made with cholesterol with the help of vitamin A. Egg yolks are also a great source of vitamins D, K2, B6, and B12, along with iron, sulfur, and arachidonic acid. These nutrients are crucial for producing endocannabinoids. Next, we have bone broth. Alcohol can increase dopamine levels, sometimes called the body's natural cocaine, but this can cause a serious imbalance. Gelatin-rich bone broth provides a natural way to regulate dopamine, bringing it up to a healthy level while preventing it from becoming too high. Bone broth also provides glutamic acid, which the body uses to produce GABA, a calming amino acid. A mug of genuine bone broth morning and evening can serve as a recovering person's best friend, providing key nutrients for neurotransmitters and calming feel-good chemicals. However, beware of substitutes like broth made from bouillon cubes or processed foods with MSG. These work very differently in the body compared to the natural glutamic acid in real broth.